So, number 1 is unlock. Okay, stop. I would say put in close position. Put valve in close position for dismantling. And now we can unscrew. Film. This is first time. Okay. Beginning is hard. After it started, it becomes easy. And then we can even finish by hand. You see, there's a lot of grease there. This is why it's easy to screw and unscrew.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have opened the valve in 2 pieces. The ball, if the valve is closed, the ball comes out just like this. Be careful the surface of the ball. The surface of the ball is a sealing surface with a seat. So you must keep it perfectly clean and smooth, no dirt and no scratch. Okay? So you put it on something soft. Right? The Teflon seat will come out with your nail, and behind you can see the O-ring. Removing the O-ring is not easy. I will teach you another time. Okay? So just forget about removing this O-ring at the moment. If you really have to change it and this is damaged, you just you cut it. Okay, and remove it with a screwdriver like this.
Yeah. Last time I used some pin.
Yes.
To pick it up.
So with a pin you will pick it up, but will also damage it.
Yeah.
So if you don't need to reuse, it's okay, it's no problem, and you put a new one. But on the other hand, be careful with your tool. Don't scratch the plastic, because then there will be a leakage. So that's the seat. Now here you can remove the other seat. And this is the O-ring. That one is very difficult to remove. How to remove the handle? The handle is just strength. I've never found any easy way of removing the handle, and I have quite a lot of force in my hands, and I do it. And I've taught many people to do it, and even men. Sometimes they cannot. Okay, so I don't have any good idea, but I can remove it like this. Easily. Okay, but it's not that easy. You can try. What I'm doing is, you see, there's a limited space here. I'm putting all my fingers inside. There's not enough space for my fingers, so my fingers go like that, and then I close my fist. My hand is
too small.
Okay.
Our hand is too small?
I don't know. So. I don't know. I would like you to try. Okay, but I know that some boys could not do it. So
even your methods, he cannot do it?
Who?
The boys.
I think Charles had problem.
Maybe
but
with a tool?
I'm a rower. So.
No?
And I could not imagine any good tool to do that. Anyone wants to try? Start turning. It should be easy to turn. If it right away it's difficult, it means you're not straight. Okay, and then you must not put force, because you will damage the thread. Oh, I forgot to mention something. This is a special shaped thread, which is very strong. You see, this shape is leaning on one direction.
Yeah.
It is not a normal thread. And this is very strong. It's very useful for soft materials. So this line now. Okay. And I do by hand as much as I can, and I cannot finish with my hands. I have the tools. So when it becomes difficult,
In Safi, are they having these tools or they have a special? Especially.
they have the
Table?
with the goes like this, okay, with the two net, and then they have the tool, it comes like this, and they press the pedal, goes
Oh, easy. You have one in your office?
No, I have this. And the last, you see here, I cannot lock.
Yeah.
This is hard now. To go from there to the final position, this is going to be hard. So I need the tool to finish the last bit here. This is not quite finished. Until this gap here is 0.
Yeah.
And then I can push the lock.
You cannot
Okay, then I'll try him again. I'll try to do it in one. Right. Okay?
Lock. Yeah.
Better to pull it back and then one.
Yeah.
And now I can lock. Finish.
We have to go to the fitness center to